Hare Krishna. Welcome back to video for the day. This is Sankarshan speaking to you from Sri Vrindavan Dham. Tune into your actual nature. Your actual nature is eternal. It's full of bliss and it's full of knowledge. If you actually tune into that identity as the eternal servant of the Supreme Person, Krishna, you'll taste the sweetest nectar at every minute. If we're not doing that, if we're not tuned into our spiritual identities, then we'll be dragging around in a miserable state, misidentifying with the material body, going through so many suffering conditions, birth, death, old age and disease, again and again and again, lifetime after lifetime, through 8,400,000 different species of life. So we should be intelligent, we should be fortunate, we should make ourselves fortunate by taking advantage of the knowledge given by Lord Sri Krishna in the Bhagavad Gita. This will enable us to get out of the quagmire of material existence, to come back into that eternally blissful, ever exciting adventure of spiritual consciousness, Krishna consciousness. So do yourself a favor, don't punish yourself anymore by misidentifying with matter. Come to the spiritual platform and relish unlimited bliss at every minute. This is called Krishna consciousness. Thanks for tuning in. Hare Krishna.